Good evening, YouTubers. This is my first ever unboxing video. This week I received from this firm, myblu, a starter kit for vaping. The price came to I think £37, but they were doing a special offer and I got it for the princely sum of £1, and that included postage as well. So here we go, let's see what's in the box. We've got the starter kit itself. There's my cat over there, that's Tabby, which I haven't opened yet. And then it comes with 2 times 1.5 milliliter liquid pods. There's 2 in each pack, and I've got 3 packs of those. So I'll just put this over to one side for a moment. And first thing I'll do is open up this pod kit. In fact, what I'll probably do actually is put this on a tripod because it's not working very well. That's better. I'm on a tripod now. So what you get here is this kit. So let's see what's inside there. I've got to get myself a knife actually to get into that. Okay, so what we have here then is the actual starter kit, and I shall open it with my beautiful Omega pocket knife, which I found on a train in 1986. So I've had that rather a long time now. If it was yours, tell me what train it was on and I shall return it to you immediately. So I shall open the kit. Oh, made the cat jump. There we go. That's that cut. Get into here. Not sure quite how I get into there. 18 plus only. That'll be me then. Pull that out. Okay, so what you get inside the kit is this. I'm not sure what that is. That's probably the case or something. And then here we have, tell you what, this unboxing thing's not as easy as people make out, or as it seems when you watch them. There's a fox outside in air close. We get wild foxes in England. Oh, okay, so that's just a USB lead. So it seems that, yeah, it seems that the pod, I think they call it, is actually the whole unit. This is very mysterious. I shall open it up and explore further. So there's the pod. It does seem to have 2 battery terminals on it, so it must come with an integral battery, I would imagine. So maybe you just push it in there. Might help if I read the instructions, I suppose. I have no idea how this works. I think probably I'm going to have to charge it up. That's amazing though. It's got the actual fluid in the pod. Nope, can't see what to do with that then. That's in there now. There's the USB charge socket. Oh, there are instructions inside. What they say is, let's have a look. It says, do not use myblu products if the packaging has been damaged. Notice registration has its benefits. Here we go. Charging myblu. It's shipped with a partial charge, however we recommend that you completely charge the device before you first use it. To charge, complete the following steps. Remove the device and liquid pad from the packaging. Unfold the attached USB cord, plug it in, connect the rechargeable device with the USB cable. With the charging contacts properly aligned, once your device begins charging, the red light will glow and remain illuminated. When it turns off, your myblu is fully charged. To use it, complete the following steps. Select your preferred liquid pod, remove it from the pad, insert the liquid pod in the rechargeable device, you'll feel it click into place. Once you're ready to use it, draw on the liquid pod and enjoy. So I shall now draw on it. Where? That end? It's amazing. That's so straightforward. Works very well. Oh well, that's the first of my unboxing. First of my unboxing videos. Not very good, but never mind. At least I'm back on the radar. I've had such a busy winter, it's been ridiculous. Anyway, we've got lots more to come soon. Thanks for watching.